Hello, Immigration Attorney Michael Ibrahim here. Today, I want to give you some tips and tricks when it comes to your naturalization interview. Every applicant who wishes to naturalize must file Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. Applicants must be sure to note if they qualify or not before filing the application. Certain applicants may present conditional or mandatory bars to naturalizing. When in doubt, always consult an immigration attorney. All applicants must answer yes or no to certain eligibility questions. It is important to be truthful and to disclose additional information when needed. Here's a tip. Be ready to provide your last 5 years worth of taxes, or 3 if you're doing naturalization through your spouse. Many USCIS officers will want information and evidence proving that you filed taxes, so you can be ahead of the game by providing this information. Another tip, if you have ever been arrested, even for something you consider to be small, be ready to provide court transcripts, a certified court disposition, and perhaps other information regarding your arrest. Again, if in doubt, consult an attorney, because certain crimes may lead to a conditional or mandatory bar from eligibility to naturalize. And one more tip, if you have ever been married or divorced, be ready to provide information and documentation regarding every marriage and divorce you've been a part of. In addition to the standard eligibility questions, USCIS requires that the applicant show a general understanding and knowledge of U.S. history and civics. There are 100 questions to study. Note that certain applicants may qualify for a shortened exam, and other applicants may qualify to take the test and examination in their native language. Tip: the best way to study for your naturalization examination is to consult uscis.gov. They have the official questions and answers available in English and other languages. I always advise clients to study hard well before the examination. Most applicants must prove that they are proficient in English. This is done during the conversation that takes place in the interview, but also with specific questions regarding reading and writing. I see several cases of applicants that assume they can take the examination in a different language, and this is simply not true. You must qualify for certain exceptions or exemptions to the English language test. Consult an attorney to see if you qualify. My final tip, don't forget that certain naturalization applicants could actually file their application Form N-400 3 months prior to their eligibility date. In other words, if you're coming up on the 5-year anniversary of your LPR status, you may be able to file 3 months before that. Of course, things could be a little different for you if you are a military member or you're married to a U.S. citizen. Again, it is extremely important that you understand your case before filing an N-400, so it's important to consult an attorney. If you or a loved one are considering applying for naturalization, contact Ibrahim Law Office for consultation today.